Hello everyone, today I want to make a pizza sandwich that tastes like heaven. Stay tuned with Where is my knife? Tomato sauce is the most effective element in pizza. So let's make easy and delicious marinara sauce together. At the beginning, remove the white part of the tomato. Pour them into the mixer. Add onion to it. Add celery. Add garlic. And add the spices that include oregano, coriander seeds, and rosemary. Last but not the least, add olive oil, salt, pepper and barbecue sauce. Mix it well and add it to the pan to cook for 13 minutes. You can use any type of bread instead of dough in pizza sandwich. The first layer is marinara sauce, then mozzarella cheese, and then add any type of protein or topping you like, such as pepperoni, bacon, or so on. Put it in the oven for 10 minutes. In the meanwhile, make a special spice mix for the pizza. Mix Parmesan cheese, oregano, dried basil, and grind black pepper. This spice is great. When the pizza sandwiches are ready, add sauce again and sprinkle our spices on it. For tasting fresh, be sure to use some aromatic vegetables such as basil, parsley, or chives. Hey guys, you can serve this food as a sandwich by adding different toppings such as lettuce and etc. Are you done here?
Sorry.
Okay. Or slice the pizza and enjoy it. I love you guys.